Good afternoon, folks. Here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2006 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor street appearance package minus the chrome trimming. Folks, this is once again a 2006 with 100,000 miles and only 398 idle hours from the city of Long Beach, California. Unit number 17592. Original charcoal gray from factory. Vehicle does have scratches, okay, but nothing big or major to worry about. Once again, keep in mind that this is the original paint and it has not been repainted. Folks, I will have tiny little scratches and about maybe 2 or 3 door dings, okay, on the vehicle. No holes on the body whatsoever. Once again, this was a detective vehicle for the City of Long Beach Police Department. Yes, this is a police interceptor. Vehicle has been fully serviced and detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Folk, I know I missed it back there, but the vehicle does have tinted windows from that department. It appears to be like a some type of I'm gonna say light shade, because you can see right through the tint without any problems. Tires on this vehicle, they're in semi-new conditions, courtesies of Long Beach Police Department. Goodyear RSA Eagle, that's what's on there now. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Folks, she doesn't need anything whatsoever, and once again, I have set you up for success on another great running vehicle. Yes, she has scratches. Yes, she has door dings. But once again, is nothing major for you to worry about. I do have a new set of clear lights and lenses on the front. The ones that came with the car, they were pretty yellowish, so I went ahead and replaced them. Just so you know, I do have some stains on the hood of the car. You can see them over there. Some stains, those did not come out. My detail crew, they didn't want to force it too much or push the envelope, so they went ahead and left those alone. But yes, I do have some stains on the hood of the car. Once again, original headlamps. Let me clean this up here for you guys. These are Ford, not aftermarket. Front grille has been reconditioned, so yes, it does look new. Alright, I went ahead and had that painted. It looks nice and new again. Let me clean this up here for you guys again. Before I do forget, I do have a minor scuff mark on the front bumper driver's side. Minor scuff mark, you guys can clearly see that right there. That came with the vehicle when I first got it. I wasn't losing any sleep over that, and I went ahead and targeted other mechanical issues and repairs the car needed, and I got that handle instead. Yes, the paint looks great, but folks, as you guys can see, I do have scratches. All right, scratches right there. Some door dings on the what are these called again? I forgot. On this little door impact moldings. Folks, if you can see those little tiny scratches and they don't bother you, you got yourself a great running vehicle. Let's go inside real quick. I gotta go ahead and step it up. As you can see, I do have a nice matching interior carpet floors with 4 original equipment floor mats. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Everything does work. Rear doors fully functional. So are the windows from inside of the car. Okay. Before I forget, the paint code on this vehicle is going to be Young Yorch YG. Axle code is going to be Charlie 6. Axle code is going to be C6. This is going to be the 355 gears. Electric seating. Unit number 17592. Driver's side seat in perfect shape. I do have a brand new aftermarket center console, which goes great with the vehicle. Passenger side also in great shape. I don't think anybody ever sat there. Perfect dash, no holes on it whatsoever. Folks, before I forget, the stereo does work, but there's a little issue with the volume knob, typical in Crown Victorias. But yes, the stereo is acting up because of the volume knob. I do have a brand new use ashtray assembly. When I first got the car, there was nothing in here, so I had to order one on eBay. Here she is. I got it in time and I took care of it. Working cruise control. All right, once again, working cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire her up. All pressure lights off. Folks, once again, I do have 100,000 miles in this particular unit. You guys can see that clearly, right? All right, these are my eyes. No, I can read it. I can read it clearly. 398 idle hours. That is all, folks. 398 hours. Stereo does work, but once again, it's acting up on the knob, the volume knobs. I do not own the rights to the song playing in the background. And this is my favorite part. Honk does work. White light works. Red light works every now and then, but there's a faulty code or something is in there that's messing it up. But red does work every now and then. For the most part, you get white, okay? Blackout option is enabled in this vehicle, so every time the doors are open, the light will come on automatically, all right? I do have a menu, and this is like a microphone hanger. I don't know, it was here when I got the car, so guess what? It's going with the car. I'm gonna let the new owner decide what they want to do with that. What else? All right, let's go to the trunk and under the hood so we can go over the services for this particular vehicle here. Let's keep going here. Once again, little scratches in the tent. Looks like it's gonna need some help here. This is the only sour spot on the tent. 17592. For those big police car guys out there, I'm calling everything out today. All right, this cage, it's also in a metal slide out tray table that comes out. Okay, this came with the vehicle. I've decided to leave that alone for the next owner to decide what they want to do with it. The vehicle did not come with a spare tire, so as usual, I had to go out and get got myself a matching Goodyear tire and OEM 4-wheel to go with the vehicle. I try to be very uniform, so I'm giving you what the car should have come with. I do have a hold down pen, and I do have a floor jack for this car that will go with the vehicle. The tire, it's in really good shape, so thread is good on it. This is an extra box. I don't know what it was used for, but I'm leaving that alone, folks, okay? All right, let's go ahead and step it up here a little bit because the clock is ticking and I'm trying to get this done within 10 minutes. Once again, brand new lights. The old ones that came with the car, they were yellowish and oxidated. I don't like the way those look, so they get thrown away and I get new ones on there. All right, folks, here is the engine bay. Once again, the vehicle has been fully detailed. She doesn't need anything whatsoever, and all you have to worry about is maybe gassing her up and taking it to your local DMV to get it registered to your name. That is it. I mean, I make this real easy, folks. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go through the details on this vehicle. I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out, which, by the way, when I took it off myself and had it cleaned out, it looked fairly clean, which tells me it was replaced at some point by that department. And yes, that does look new, as you guys can see. Okay, I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Throttle body, it appears to have been replaced by the department, which is a big plus. So I went ahead and verified that. Transmission service was done. Motorcraft fluid and filter, full synthetic engine oil, full fluid and filter was done. Air conditioner is nice and cold, so I didn't have to do that. I do have a brand new battery at my expense. The battery that came with the vehicle was was dead. So I went ahead and gave her a new battery. And folks, as you guys can see, let me clean this up here. Sorry about that, I'm getting ahead of myself. As you guys can see, I do have the blue fail-safe silicone hoses that came with the vehicle when I got it. This vehicle, they came like this way from factory, okay? Brakes are about 80% all around, and I didn't have to do anything there. I do have a metal skid plate protecting the engine compartment on the bottom of the vehicle, which is a big A+ to have. I do have a metal skid plate underneath the vehicle that protects the engine, okay, from any debris that can get down there. Fuel filter was also replaced, and rear differential was checked. It was full, so we went ahead and left that alone. I hope I'm not forgetting anything, folks. Tires are great. They're in semi-new conditions from the department, so we don't need any tires. Thankfully, I didn't have to go out and find any tires, so I'm happy about that. All right, folks, once again, I've set you up for success here on another great running vehicle. She is gonna go out for sale. Any questions, comments, please feel free to give me a call, email me, text me, and we'll take it from there. Please, serious inquiries only. Very much appreciate it. All right, folks, I gotta go. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed weekend. Please be safe, and see you guys around, okay? Take care.